Adding a license key check to your software is very easy. You just need to copy this code into your program. AuthVaultix already provides a pre-made C++ example. You can download it or follow step by step with me. In this video, we are adding a license key system in C++ application using the AuthVaultix SDK. First, create a C++ console project in Visual Studio and open your project folder. Now go to the files you downloaded from GitHub, open the x64 folder and copy authvaultix.cpp, authvaultix.spp and main.cpp into your project folder. Always set build configuration to release mode. Debug mode will not work. Open Visual Studio, click show all files. In include missing files by selecting include in project. Now open main.cpp, initialize the SDK and set your app details like name, owner ID, secret and version. Once the SDK is successfully initialized, options like login, register, license login, upgrade and forgot password become available. After successful login, you can access user data and subscription details. Finally, the program runs with full license protection. If you need any help, check the support chat or join the Discord server. Thanks for watching.